You reach for your phone, you scroll, you swipe, you get a tiny hit of pleasure. Hours pass, your thumb is numb, your brain is fried, you have nothing to show. Just a vague emptiness that you're about to fill with more scrolling. This is not a habit. This is an addiction, and it's costing you everything. Most people don't understand what dopamine actually is. They think it makes you happy. Dopamine is the motivation chemical. It drives you to seek reward. Cheap dopamine destroys your ability to want anything that requires effort. You're programming your brain to only respond to the easiest, laziest stimulation. You know you should be studying. You know you should be working out, but you can't. Your brain is screaming for the next hit, the next scroll. Everything else feels like torture. The book feels impossible. The workout unbearable. You're not broken, you're hijacked, and you blame yourself. You're making yourself weaker with every swipe. You need to starve the cheap dopamine, cut the easy rewards. No phone for the first hour of your day, no social media during work. Sit in the discomfort, let your brain feel the emptiness. Cheap dopamine is not your friend, it's the thief stealing your future. You've been addicted without knowing it. Addicted to the scroll, the swipe, the tiny hit of pleasure that leaves you emptier than before. Addicted to distraction, addicted to the easy way out, addicted to stealing from your own future. And the worst part? You didn't even know it was happening. The thief was disguised as entertainment, as relaxation, as connection, but it was never connection. It was consumption. It was escape. It was the slow death of your potential. But the realization is the first step, and you've taken it. You see it now, you see the thief, you see the trap, you see what it's cost you, and now you have a choice. Keep feeding the addiction, keep numbing yourself, keep letting your future slip away, or fight back. Starve the cheap dopamine. Let the discomfort come. Sit in the emptiness and rebuild the part of you that was stolen. It will be hard. It will be uncomfortable. It will be the hardest thing you've ever done, but it will be worth it. So this is the end of the video. But for you, it's the beginning of something new. Tomorrow morning, when you reach for your phone, you will remember. When you feel the urge to scroll, you will remember. When the cheap dopamine calls, you will remember. And you will choose the hard thing. You will choose the discomfort. You will choose the work. Because you know now. You know what the thief has been stealing, and you're not going to let it take anymore. You are not your addiction. You are the person who broke free, and that person is waiting. Now close this video, put down your phone, and start living. Start small, start today. Remember, 1% at a time.